Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering assets and setting triggers. Record or pick a 1-3 second. MP3 or WAV. Shorter files load faster and avoid clipping. Once done, verify the target device OS because Android, iOS, and desktop handle notifications differently and file paths differ. Next, choose the exact trigger: low battery percentage, charge connected, or charge complete. Make sure you have permission to run background tasks or use notification APIs. Without that, the sound won't play reliably. You now implement the monitoring and playback. For Android, use a foreground service with Battery Manager. On iOS, use background fetch and local notifications with UN notification sound. On desktop, use OS power events or a small daemon. Once you detect the configured threshold, debounce the event to prevent repeated chimes. Use a 60 to 120 second lockout. Then call the native notification API to show a visual toast and play your bundled sound so the user receives both audio and context for why it triggered. You finish by thoroughly testing and deploying. Test at multiple battery percentages and during charge connect/disconnect events in both normal and do not disturb modes so you catch permission and audio focus issues. Package the sound with the app or reference a stable path and request runtime permissions for background tasks and notifications. If the sound fails, check Do Not Disturb, app background restrictions, and whether another app stole audio focus. Adjusting notification priority or using a foreground service usually resolves stubborn silent cases.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.